Li Auto L9 is a luxury SUV that can drive without stopping 1,650 kilometers. The Li Auto L9 in the top-end Livis 2026 configuration is not just an updated model, but a real leap forward in the world of hybrid SUVs. The official premiere took place on May 15, 2026 in China, and the car immediately attracted attention for its impressive performance. From the outside, this crossover makes a solid impression. Its dimensions are really impressive. The length has exceeded 5 meters, 5,255 millimeters, the width is exactly 2 meters, and the wheelbase stretches for 3,125 millimeters. The engineers didn't just increase the dimensions, they added 37 millimeters in length and 20 millimeters in the base compared to the previous version, so that the interior was even more spacious and comfortable for all 6 passengers. The main highlight of the model is its power plant. The Li L9 Livis operates according to the sequential hybrid, or EREV, scheme. The bottom line is that the 1.5-liter gasoline turbo engine here does not act as the main engine, but as a generator that recharges the battery and powers the electric motors. 2 electric motors, asynchronous at the front and synchronous with magnets at the rear, produce a total output of 571 horsepower and a torque of 710 Nm. The result is impressive. Acceleration to 100 takes only 4.9 seconds, and the top speed is electronically limited to 200 kilometers per hour. As for autonomy, the numbers speak for themselves. Powered by pure electricity, the crossover can travel up to 420 kilometers, according to the Chinese CLTC cycle, or about 350 kilometers, according to the stricter WLTC standard. And the total power reserve, taking into account the operation of the gasoline generator, reaches a whopping 1,650 kilometers according to CLTC and 1,370 kilometers according to WLTC. You can safely plan long-distance trips without unnecessary stops for refueling. The 72.7 kilowatt-hour battery charges at an incredible rate thanks to 5C fast charging technology, 420 kilowatts. Imagine, from 10% to 80% of the charge is replenished in just 10 minutes. This is the level of the most advanced electric vehicles. But the real technological breakthrough is hidden underneath and in electronics. The suspension here is a real masterpiece of engineering. It's an 800-volt active system with an independent hydraulic compressor for each wheel. It can work miracles, smooth out the roughness of the road for maximum comfort, reduce the pecking of the body during sudden braking, tightly control the rolls in turns, creating a lifting force of more than 10,000 newtons per wheel. The steering is also excellent. The steer-by-wire system, or electronic control, and the function of turning all 4 wheels are implemented here, which makes the huge crossover surprisingly maneuverable. The braking system is fully electromechanical, or EMB, which improves the accuracy and efficiency of deceleration. The salon is a different story. Imagine a premium theater transferred to a car. The immaculate Star Ring Theater audio system with a 9.3.6 configuration and 33 speakers outputs a peak power of 5,440 watts. The sound literally surrounds you from all sides, creating the effect of total immersion. The driver assistance system, ADAS, is powered by 2 powerful 5nm Mach 10 chips, total performance 2,560 TOPS, and 4 LiDARs. She can drive independently on motorways and city roads, NOA function, park in the most difficult conditions, processing 300 different scenarios, anticipate dangerous situations on the road. Compared to the basic Ultra version, the Livis package is a real technological maximum. There's a powerful bundle of autopilot chips, a fully fledged 800-volt suspension, and an expanded LiDAR system. Externally, the car can be selected in several color options, from classic white and gray to exclusive 2-toned solutions with gold accents. The interior is available in gray-purple, green-white, and brown coffee colors. The price of such a technological miracle in China is 509,800 yuan, which is approximately equal to $74,970. So far, the model is only available in the domestic market. Did you like the car?
Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.